At first glance, the DelVe square looks a lot like a smaller version of the common square that just about every carpenter carries in his apron. But when you take a closer look, you'll find features of the DelVe square that make it the perfect pocket companion for the furniture and cabinet maker. The first thing I want to show you about the DelVe square is the offset base. This side is 1/4 inch from the edge to the blade, and this side is 3/8. So if I'm working with standard 3/4 inch stock and I want to lay out a mortise, if I take the 1/4 inch side, drop it on here, make a mark, bring it around to the other side and make a mark, I just laid out a perfectly centered mortise or tenon. If I want to find the center of the board, we're going to take the 3/8 side, drop it on, make a mark, bring it to the other side, make a mark, and the center between those two lines is the exact center of my board, even if it's slightly undersized or slightly oversized. Cool, right? It's my favorite feature of this little square. But there's a lot more to like. Parallel scribing, for instance. Bring the edge of your DelVe against your stock. Drop the tip of your pencil in your desired dimension and just slide along the edge. You'll lay down a line perfectly parallel with your edge. There are scribing holes milled every 1/8 of an inch along the 3-inch blade. And the hypotenuse edge is calibrated with angles every 5 degrees plus 22.5 and 67.5 for angle layouts. There's even a hole machined 3/8 of an inch from the edge, sized just right to guide a self-centering drill bit. You can drill a hole centered just that easy. The DelVe square is machined from one solid piece of aircraft-grade aluminum tool plate. Anodized for surface protection and laser engraved to a tolerance of 4/1000ths of an inch total accumulated error. Like we said on the webpage, it's a drawer full of layout tools right in the palm of your hand. Order yours today.